Hello and welcome again to Grace by God, One Song, One Truth. Today's song is 380. Yefai masulu emumu lo owola wafaine. May my life be a shining lamp. Let's take a quick listen to the melody.
Yefai masulu emumu lo owola wafaine. Yesu ila uami olele, ila uami olele, ila uami olele, ia ufolinga ya Yesu ila uami olele. Fua mai pea I fua lele uai amana o iai uai amana o iai
For this song, I want to focus on the truth in verse 5. Yefia vivi'ia Yesu, oe iloa maiao. May those who see me, or more specifically, my deeds or good deeds, glorify Jesus. This truth takes us back to the book of Matthew chapter 5, when Jesus gave his famous Beatitudes. At the end he said, "Let your light shine before others, so that they may see your good deeds or good works, and glorify your Father in heaven." You notice that Jesus didn't qualify others. That means anyone, whether they believe in God or not, will glorify God for all your good deeds. And that's a message for us from this song. All our good deeds must glorify God. And when we glorify God, others will glorify Him as well. So until the next song, may God keep you and make His face to shine upon you. Take care and God bless.